हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम हॉर्टिकल्चर ऑब्जेक्टिव सीरीज़ के पार्ट 8 को देखने वाले हैं। इसके पहले के सभी पार्ट्स हमारे चैनल पर अपलोडेड हैं। अगर आप किसी भी हॉर्टिकल्चर या एग्रीकल्चर से रिलेटेड कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो आप इन वीडियो को देख सकते हैं। इसी के साथ हम अपना वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। एरिया अंडर लूज फ्लावर्स इन इंडिया इज़ 2/3। एरिया अंडर लूज फ्लावर्स इन इंडिया इज़ 2/3। इंडिया रैंक्स फर्स्ट in area under jasmine in the world. India rank in area under jasmine in the world is first. Amalthus is a tree. Amalthus is a tree. First person to start gardening in India, Babar. First person to start gardening in India, Babar. Lal Bagh Garden is situated at Bengaluru. Lal Bagh Garden is situated at Bengaluru. National flower of China is Narcissus. National flower of China is Narcissus. Division of Floriculture and Landscaping start at IARI in year 1983. Division of Floriculture and Landscaping started in IARI in year 1983. Swami Vivekanand is associated with which flower? Dahlia. Swami Vivekanand is associated with which flower? Dahlia. Total area under floriculture in the world is 25 lakh hectare. Total area under floriculture in the world is 25 lakh hectare. Begum Sikandar is the variety of bougainvillea. Begum Sikandar is the variety of bougainvillea. Bharat Sundari is the variety of hibiscus. Bharat Sundari is the variety of hibiscus. Arjun Raktagandha belongs to which class of rose? Hybrid tea. Arjun Raktagandha belongs to which class of rose? Hybrid tea. Mohini is the variety of rose which is triploid. Mohini is the variety of rose which is triploid. Carnation is a long day plant. Carnation is a long day plant. Non-fragrant species of jasmine is J. primulinum. Non-fragrant species of jasmine is J. primulinum. Resistant species of rose to cold is R. rugosa. Resistant species of rose to cold is R. rugosa. In chrysanthemum, singleness is due to dominance over doubleness. In chrysanthemum, singleness is due to dominance over doubleness. Petunia show which type of self-incompatibility? Gametophytic. Petunia show which type of self-incompatibility? Gametophytic. Largest producer of loose flower in the world is China. Largest producer of loose flower in the world is China. Bahunia Vahli is a rambler. Bahunia Vahli is a rambler. National Research Center for Orchid is located at Sikkim. National Research Center for Orchid is located at Sikkim. Acacia belongs to family Leguminosae. Acacia belongs to family Leguminosae. Orocaria cookie is also known as monkey puzzle. Orocaria cookie is also known as monkey puzzle. Parrot flower is common name of Pagara. Parrot flower is common name of Pagara. Family of ficus is Moracia. Family of ficus is Moracia. Pride of India is the common name of Queen's flower. Pride of India is the common name of Queen's flower. La France cultivar of rose belongs to hybrid tea. La France cultivar of rose belongs to hybrid tea. Peach blossom is the variety of chrysanthemum. Peach blossom is the variety of chrysanthemum. Chromosome number of carnation is 50. Chromosome number of carnation is 50. Topal disease of gladiolus is caused due to deficiency of calcium. Topal disease of gladiolus is caused due to deficiency of calcium. Calyx splitting disorder is found in carnation. Calyx splitting disorder is found in carnation. Queen of East is the common name of chrysanthemum. Queen of East is the common name of chrysanthemum. Feroz Mashani is related to which flower crop? Carnation. Feroz Mashani is related to which flower crop? Carnation. Cymbidium orchid is lithophyte. Cymbidium orchid is lithophyte. Sonar Bangla is the variety of chrysanthemum. Sonar Bangla is the variety of chrysanthemum. Favorable temperature for growth of gladiolus is 16 to 30 degrees Celsius. Favorable temperature for growth of gladiolus is 16 to 30 degrees Celsius. Hilling is an important operation in gladiolus. Hilling is an important operation in gladiolus. Shobha is the mutant variety of gladiolus. Shobha is the mutant variety of gladiolus. Which garden is regarded as genesis of gardening? Eden. Which garden is regarded as genesis of gardening? Eden. Dilkush Garden of Lahore was built by Jahangir. Dilkush Garden of Lahore was built by Jahangir. Habana the Baika, a branching palm, is located at Baroda. Habana the Baika, a branching palm, is located at Baroda. Baradari is important feature of which garden? Mughal. Baradari is important feature of which garden? Mughal.